Hi friends, for this evening I thought let's make something funny, and I remembered that I promised Noctis Motus some weeks or some months ago that such a nice big union lock could even picked with paper clips. And so I've taken the challenge and got some paper clips and bended some tools. So here we have a little tension wrench and a little hook. This is really not a fun pick, but I hope we will get it open. There's some nasty chrome plating on this on these paper clips. I have to bend this a little bit back. I've tried before, of course. It's not easy to do. I thought it would be easier because it's very easy to pick this lock. But I think it can be done. Okay, let's try this. Paper clips are a little big for the keyway. Okay, I'm stuck under one pin a little bit, but hopefully I can work around that. Hope you can see well enough. Okay. It's not that easy to do. There's absolutely no feedback on this improvised pick. It's really a little bit big. I think it works pretty well off camera, but not on camera. Let's see if we get pin one set here. And here it's open. I have to get the tension wrench out. Yeah, here the screw is a little bit tight, but you can see it's open. Very cool. Really not easy to do. Thought it would be easier, but the thickness of this paper clips is a little bit too thick. You have to look for the piece. You can see the bidding of the key. Very cool look. I'm very thankful I got this from Pickbird, and I'm very happy I have one. And it's a little bit harder to pick than Pete's lock, but even with paper clips it does work if you get under the pins, but there's really no feedback. Yeah, a very nice challenge. So you did see Noctis. I can do it with paper clips, and I hope you had fun. So, see you in the next video and have a nice evening. Bye.